Hello everyone, I am Dattatranikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is a continuous series of part 11 that fusible plug, a safety device 11D3, and we are going to cover the fusible plug details in this series. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics on engineering and segregated as part of a playlist and published on our channel eFunda. Also, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is a fusible plug, a safety device, part 11D3. Introduction to fusible plug. One can refer to the picture where one can see the fusible alloy, plug body and fusible plug. It can define as a fusible plug is a safety device used in a pressure vessel such as a steam boiler or a pressure tanks, designed to prevent catastrophic failure due to excessive pressure or a temperature. Also, it is very important to understand the working principle. One can refer to the another picture where one can see the schematic of a fusible plug, where at the bottom one can see the ribs, that is RS, then crown plate, hexagonal flange, gunmetal body A, gunmetal body B, fusible metal plug C. These are the things shown. Working, a fusible plug contains a material that melts at a specific temperature, typically a lead-based alloys. Once the temperature exceeds a set limit, then the material inside the plug is getting a melt, allowing the gas or a steam to escape and relieve the pressure from inside. Structure, it consists of a metal body with a hollow core filled with a fusible alloy. Second, it is fitted in the pressure vessel in a way that it can act as a vent whenever it is needed. This is how the typical structure. We will see the more details about this. As it is mentioned, it is based on the temperature. If it exceeds the limit, it will melt down. We will see that detail as well in this video. Construction of a fusible plug. A fusible plug is a safety device commonly used in a pressure vessels, boilers, steam engines to prevent a dangerous overpressure situation. It is designed to melt and release pressure when the temperature or pressure inside a vessel becomes too high. Here some of the introductory components we will see and we will study. First is the component part. One can refer to the picture where one can see the fusible plug constructions and we'll see the components inside its are. Material, the fusible plug is typically made of a metal or alloy that has a low melting point. Common material included is a lead or alloys such as a tin and bismuth. Second, structure, the plug is installed in a fitting on a vessel and oftenly feature a very small cavity that holds the fusible material in the place, as one can see into the picture where the details of each components are mentioned, which we have seen in a previous slide. The cross-sectional view is provided for a better understanding how the functions inside are done. Now moving on to the function, before that one can refer to the part of a fusible plug and actual fusible plug assembly into the second picture where plug, fusible material, cone and a body are shown. The functions of the fusible plug are: first, overpressure protection. The primary purpose of the fusible plug is to provide a safety mechanism by melting and releasing the pressure from the vessel if the temperature rises to a dangerous level. This prevents the vessel from rupturing or exploding due to the excessive pressure. Second, temperature sensitive. The fusible material is designed to melt at a specific temperature, usually much lower than the metal of the vessel itself. This allows the pressure to be safely vented before catastrophic failure occurs. Last one is the operation. Under a normal operating condition, the fusible plug remains intact and the vessel operates under controlled pressure. If the temperature increases due to the overheating, such as from fire or any malfunctioning into the mechanical component, then the fusible material will melt, creating a hole or a passage through the plug assembly. Third, this allows a pressure inside the vessel to be safely released, preventing a rupture or explosion. This is the purpose inside the vessel. They are using fusible plug to depressurize or whatever additional overpressures are there, that has to be relieved. The another application of this is using the fire water systems, where the water will be placed inside the structure, and then upon melting of the plug, the water will sprinkle at the area where the fusible plugs are installed to capture or help the fire, where the area can be sprinkled with fire water so as to avoid the spreading of the fire, and one can control the fire. This is how the construction of a fusible plug. It is very important to understand the requirement of a fusible plug, for which we have created a datasheet for fusible plug. Quantity 144 number. Based on the layout modification requirement, these quantities were added. Service: fire detection, fluid, instrument, gas, plug material, that is fusible alloy, body material SS316, melting temperature in degree Celsius is 85 degrees Celsius, maximum ambient temperature in degree Celsius is 40 degrees Celsius, pressure operating and a max in kg per centimeter G, 3.5 to 10.5, pressure rating that vendor will specify, connection 3 by 8 NPTM, NES, yes, NES required as per MR01-75 latest edition. Vendor will specify the make and model for the offered fusible quantity. This is how the requirement of a fusible plug is covered as part of the datasheet. Fusible plug layout. One can refer to the picture where one can see some of the equipments are shown. Along with that, some of the fire and gas detection instruments are also placed. One can see the launcher and the detectors are installed. At the diagonally corner, existing UV detectors are added. In case of fire, it requires to have the detection. Similarly, additional detector is also added, and to continuously protect this system, the existing fusible plug loop is added along with a new installation of a fusible plug. This is how the typically fusible plug layouts is being prepared for typical cases. Consider this as a study case for one of the project extract, and this is for private circulation only. Application of a fusible plug. One can refer to the interface diagram with a wellhead control, that is a Christmas tree. As you can see, bottom triple SSV actuator hydraulic is shown, then SSV actuator hydraulic is shown, and then wing wall and choke valve are also shown. This will be control via wellhead control panel. As you can see, hydraulic pressure to triple SSV, and then hydraulic pressure to SSV is being passed through wellhead control for controlling the actuators on a respective valves. Similarly, there is also choke valve which is controlled via the hips supply, and also additionally the typically fusible protection loop is also laid, which is come out from the wellhead control panel, and it is laid or installed on top of the facilities where the modifications or the new equipments are being installed. This is how the fusible plug is being used for various application, and one of the application is where the typically wellhead control or a Christmas tree interface is shown. We have come to the place where we will learn the fusible plug applications. First, boiler. Fusible plugs are widely used in a steam boiler to prevent overpressurization from causing accidents. Second, pressure vessels. They are also used in various industrial applications such as a gas tank, a refrigeration system, and a fire protection system. Advantages. First, simple passive safety feature that doesn't require complex electronics or a control system. Second, provides a reliable and automatic response to dangerous conditions. Third, can be used in conjunction with the other safety devices for layer protection. Examples, fire and gas detection system. As this system will have some limitations as well. First, fusible plugs may wear out or degrade over time, so regular inspection and maintenance are important. Second, they are only effective for specific temperature and pressure conditions. They don't protect against all possible hazards. Third, in summary, fusible plugs are essential component for ensuring the safety of a high pressure system by automatically releasing pressure in case of overheating, thus preventing catastrophic failure. This is how we are trying to cover the fusible plug, a safety device for your better understanding, and hope this video will help you to understand the fusible plug in detail. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page, and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.